In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as sent in Xero. This is a really useful step for keeping your accounts tidy and making sure you always know which invoices have gone out to your customers and which ones are still pending. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Xero account. First, log into your Xero dashboard in your web browser. Once you're on the main screen, look for the main navigation menu, usually at the top of the page. From there, click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero keeps all your customer-related money coming in, including quotes, invoices, and customer adjustments. Opening the sales section helps you focus specifically on what you've billed out. After you click on sales, you'll see several options related to your sales activity. Here, you want to choose invoices. Go ahead and click on invoices. This takes you to a list of all your invoices, which may be sorted by status, customer, or date. You'll typically see tabs or filters for things like draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, paid, or voided. This page is your central hub for managing all of your billing. Next, from your list of invoices, find and select the specific invoice that you want to mark as sent. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many invoices, use the search bar or filters to quickly find it by customer name, invoice number, or date. Once you've found the right one, click on the invoice line to open it. This will bring you to the detailed view of that invoice, where you can see the customer details, line items, totals, and status. With the invoice open, look for the section that shows its status and sending options. You should see an option or a small box or checkbox next to the word Sent. To mark the invoice as sent, simply click on this box. When you do, Xero updates the status to show that the invoice has been sent to the customer. This is especially helpful if you've emailed the invoice outside of Xero or printed and mailed it manually, and you still want your records in Xero to reflect that it has gone out. Once that box is checked, your invoice is now marked as sent.